If you are a heavy WhatsApp user, then this video is really helpful for you guys. I'm sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Tech. This video I'll show you the top 5 coolest tricks if you use WhatsApp heavily every day, and these tricks will help you to make your WhatsApp more secure and privacyful, and you can use your WhatsApp as you wish. So without further ado, let's start this video with you guys. Before that, here guys, I request you please subscribe, and if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start this video with you. So here it is guys, this is my WhatsApp, and if you haven't any WhatsApp, then install this WhatsApp in your Android mobile phone, and now it's really easy for you guys. Now here it is guys, this is my WhatsApp as there, and from here the first trick is who see your status. And guys, if you are a heavy WhatsApp user, then you may always make some status in your WhatsApp. That time your all friend and everyone can see those status in your WhatsApp there. So here guys, if you want to hide those status from some of your friends or from everyone of your WhatsApp, that time you can use this trick. So for that, first of all, you need to click on these 3 dots, and from here click on the settings from here, and from here guys, now just go to here in the account and privacy, and from the account and privacy click on this privacy from here, and from here guys, you need to click on this status to the my contacts. Who can see my status updates? If you click on this my contact, that time all the people on your contact list who save your number in their mobile phone and you save their number in your mobile phone, they all can see your this status are there. And now here guys, this is the my contact accept. That means if you click on this, that time the people who you just selected there, these people only will not see your status are there. Suppose here I just select those, and these people will not see my this status are there. So I just discard it, and if you want, then you can click on this green button is there. I don't want that, so I click on this discard. And now here is the only share with. That means the people with whom you want to just share your this status. That means if you just select those, these people only see your this WhatsApp status, and others people will not see this. So here I also discard it. And if you want, then click on this green sign there, and now click on this done after just making it okay. The second is the hide your seen messages. If you have a heavy WhatsApp user and all of your friends have a WhatsApp, and you have a gradually heavy chats on the WhatsApp with your friends, that time your friend just send you messages, and that time here whenever you just on this message, they see that you just seen your this messages there, and you do not reply that, and sometimes it may be more annoying for you guys. You just make seen your this messages, your friend messages, but you do not reply these messages against, and sometimes it may be more harassing for you or annoying for you guys. So to get rid of from these things, you need to apply a tricks from here. So first of all, click on these 3 dots from here. Now click on the settings, and from here you need to click on this account, and from here go to this privacy, and from here just go to the down, and here it is. This is the things as the read receipt, and you need to turn off this. Your message sender will not get that however you read this message or not. And here it is guys, this is the tricks. So here it is guys, we are in the number 3 of all these tricks is the last seen status. That means whenever you are in the WhatsApp, and whenever you are just go to here in this chat profile, you can see that guys, she is active last seen on the Monday 12:07 AM. That means now you can see that guys, she is active that time, but sometimes it may be more privacyful for you guys, and sometimes you don't want to show it to your friend, and now it's just showing here. Now what you do to do this here, what you can do to hide this here. In this video guys, I'm going to talking with you about. So here guys, I just go back, and from here now go to this 3 dot, and from here click on this settings from here. Now click on this account, and from here go to this privacy, and from here this is the last seen everyone. Here it is guys, it's everyone. If you make it the my contact, that time only the people who contact you also only can see your this last seen status. But if you click on this nobody, that time no one, your contact or other person, no one can see that whenever you are active or not. Whenever you just chat with your friend in the WhatsApp, some friend of you send you some media files. This may be images, videos, audios, and all are there. This file always automatically downloaded in your mobile phone storage, and that time it just show you in your this gallery. But you don't want to show this in your gallery. Now what you do to hide it from your gallery? For that, guys, you need to go to in your mobile phone, and from here go to your internal storage where your WhatsApp is installed, and from here just find out this WhatsApp, and from here just go to the media from here, and here it is, guys, all your things are there. Suppose that here, guys, I want to hide these WhatsApp images, so I just hold down it on, and from here just go to this three dots or option. From here you need to mainly rename it from here. So after that you need to make it hide. So for that, guys, you need to click on this dot, and now click on this, and your file will be hide automatically there. I just show all my files, so I just show here. Now if I just make it the hidden, that time your all these files which has dot are hidden, and that time it will not show in your this gallery. And here it is, guys, this is the last but not in the list. It's really important for you guys. Whenever you just use WhatsApp and chatting with your friend, that time your friend will see you some media messages, and these all are automatically downloaded, and sometimes you are more annoying. Sometimes if you use mobile internet data package, that time it will make you more annoying. That means whenever they just send you this file, is automatically downloaded there, and it consumes your internet data, and sometimes it also consumes your mobile storage, and that time it may be more annoying for you guys. So for that, what you can do to get rid of from this problem there, your all the media file will only remain here in your this chat only. It will not download in your mobile phone. So what you can do to do this, first of all, you need to click on the three dots, and from here click on the settings, and from here just go to here in this data and the storage usage. That time here is, guys, when using mobile data, that time what they will download it, and here it is only check the photos. That means only photo will be downloaded when you use the mobile data. If I checked off, that time nothing will be downloaded there, no media. And if I checked in all, that time this all will be downloaded. Now here it is, guys, when connected on Wi-Fi, that time this all file will be automatically downloaded. Now if I checked off, that time no file will download it automatically. And here it is, guys, this is the things which is really helpful for you. So here it is, guys, this is the things which you need to use a WhatsApp very frequently, heavily, if you are a heavy user of the WhatsApp. So here it is, guys, by these tricks you can use your WhatsApp really more smoothly. So I hope you all get some interest by this video, and this video is really helpful for you guys. I hope you all like this video, and for that, guys, I request you please share this video with your friends. Like this video, comment below on this video. We are very ending of this video. I hope we will meet in our next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.